Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to have a search bar instead of a search icon on your Shopify store. Let's get started. So first, head over to your Shopify dashboard. Then, go to Online Store. Click Themes. And after that, click on the three dots next to the Customize button. And choose Edit Code. In the code editor, go to the top left search bar. Type in header.liquid. Click on the file named header.liquid. Before editing anything, make a backup of the code. Copy the code and paste the code into a safe place like Notepad, Google Docs, or an online code editor. Inside the header.liquid file, press Ctrl F and search for render header. Look for the specific line. And this is the part of the code responsible for the search icon setup. Now, head to the video description to get the custom search bar code. Then copy the new code, delete that specific render line, and paste it in place of the render line. Click Save, go back to your online store, click View Store or refresh the live page, and you will now see a full search bar visible by default instead of the icon. And that's it. You have successfully updated your Shopify store to show a search bar instead of just an icon. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.